Hello viewers, welcome to watchcenter.pk official YouTube channel. Viewers, in this video we are going to review one of our favorite Casio watch in Roman dial, white Roman dial, and in stainless steel chain, and the white Roman dial along with date and day option on the dial as well. It's a pretty decent watch. And the unique thing about this watch is, of course, the dial. It's pretty attractive. It's very clear as well. And the hour marks are in Roman. And it's in stainless steel chain. The chain is in pattern, as you can see. And it's a Casio original watch. And this is how you open the buckle. And the back side of the dial is in stainless steel, and it comes with a water resistance as well, 50 meters. And the model number of this watch is MTP-V006D-7B. That's the model number of this watch. And with this middle knob, you can adjust the date, day, and the time setting. So you need to pull it up once and move it clockwise to adjust the day, like Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and you need to move it counterclockwise to adjust the date option, 5, 6, 7, 8, and also you need to pull it up one more time to adjust the time. So very basic settings like other analog watches, and the watch is pretty attractive. It's an ideal watch for a Father's Day gift or anniversary gift. So let's try this watch on the wrist and also check the weight and the diameter of the dial. So viewers, that's why it's our favorite watch, because it's look pretty on the wrist. As you can see, you can easily see the time and also the date and day. And it's in chain, so you can adjust this watch as per your wrist. And the dial is also not very big. So let's check the weight of this watch in gram and also the diameter of the round dial. So let's check the weight of this watch in gram. The weight of this watch in gram is 94.8. 94.8 gram. It's the weight of a Casio men's watch MTP-V006D-7B. Viewers, let's check the diameter of the round dial in millimeter. Viewers, the diameter of the round dial is around 37.1 mm. 37.1 mm is a round dial diameter. And the area that falls on your wrist from this part to this part, that is around 44.2 mm. 44.2 mm. And the dial diameter is around 9.7 mm is the dimension of the thickness of the dial. 9.7 mm. So viewers, you can order this watch online in Pakistan from our online watch store, watchcenter.pk. Cash on delivery is available in Pakistan, and also you can book your order via WhatsApp. Our number is 031022333484. And for international customers, we have given link in the description. Please click on the link to order this watch online. And viewers, please subscribe to our YouTube channel watchcenter.pk to get notification of the video reviews of Casio and other branded watches. And if you like this video, please share. Thank you for watching.